Disc golf is a pretty exciting sport. It's extremely easy to learn, doesn't require any kind of previous experience to get started, and anyone can join in no matter the age, be they youngsters, teenagers, or adults. In order to start playing this sport, you will need to acquire a complete disc golf set. While it may sound somewhat straightforward at first, trust us, it isn't. There are tons of products available, so you can easily get overwhelmed and lost, especially if you're a first-time player. In this specific guide, we will be looking at a few of the leading disc golf sets in 2023 that you can possibly find on the internet. Let's start from the top position on our official listing and slowly proceed through all the other ones as well, finishing up with a detailed buyer's guide. Number 1. MVP Disc Golf Basket. Weighing just under 26 pounds, 25% lighter than all the models on the market, the MVP Black Disc Golf Basket is sure to improve the portability experience without sacrificing durability or catching power. It features 12 external chains and 12 internal chains that are made out of sturdy metal materials. Also, this particular basket is approved by PDGA, correct height and size, so you will be able to use it for professional practice and events as well. In terms of assembly, the MVP Black Disc Golf Basket is fairly easy to set up and doesn't require any special background experience. Be sure that you get all of the components out of the golf basket box. Secondly, place the bottom pole to the base structure and put the basket on top. Then, carefully position the top assembly and top hole into their position. Lastly, finish up by placing the head cap on the top of the basket. That's it, you're entirely done and ready to play. Number 2. Dynamic Trooper Disc Golf Bag. Are you on the hunt for the most reliable way to carry all your discs? Well, take a look at the brand new Dynamic Trooper Disc Golf Bag. It features several different compartments, including a main storage area that can hold up to 18 discs, 2 additional pockets, and a bottle holder. Furthermore, the entire backpack is manufactured from 600D Cordura nylon material and features outstanding sewing quality. You can count on this backpack to last for a long period without an issue. This disc pack is available in several different color options, including Arctic Camo, Pure Black, Desert Guide, Heather Gray, and many more. The disc golf bag also comes with a limited lifetime guarantee presented by the company. If you seem to notice any kind of problems with this backpack, material tearing or bad stitching, we strongly advise you to report it directly to Dynamic Discs. Their professional support team will review your appeal and help you out. Number 3. Innova Starter Disc Golf Collection. Innova is an international fitness equipment company that was created back in 1983. Today, this particular brand is one of the most popular trademarks in this niche sport and has the most recurring customers out of all the competitors. They are continually making development upgrades and design innovations to keep their products up to date and in line with the highest quality norms. This particular golf set is undoubtedly one of their most popular products. It's mainly known for its comfy grip and superb performance in various weather conditions. The set includes a standard variety of discs and a manufacturer-made detailed video guide that precisely explains all the things you should consider and all the rules you should obey when playing disc golf. In order to get this video, you will need to scan the QR code, which is located at the back of the packaging boxing. You'll go from beginner to pro in no time. Number 4. Park & Son Disc Golf Set. In the top rank of our official listing, we have a complete disc golf set presented by one of the most distinguishable brands in the sport, Park & Son Disc. It consists of 6 disc golf discs, for ultimate control and distance, a powder-coated support pole for increased durability and longevity, 4 pieces of steel ground anchors for great stability, and a zinc-plated chain set to catch your discs. As you can see, this specific disc golf set has everything that you need in order to get started with your game. If you're interested in learning more about this specific set and RISC's attributes, then we strongly recommend you to visit their official product link. You will be able to discover plenty of info there before heading back to Amazon for your purchase. Number 5. Crown Me Disc Golf Set. In the runner-up spot of our listing, we have the Crown Me Disc Golf Set. The entire packaging consists of several different disc golf discs, including 2 drivers, mid-ranges, and putters, and also 1 mini disc marker. All of the discs have different colors and patterns, so you will be able to easily separate them from each other. In terms of quality, the discs in this set are manufactured from first-tier plastic. So, you can rest assured that this particular set will be able to perfectly withstand the day-to-day pressure without showing any visual marks of tear or wear. If you want to ask any sort of questions related to this particular disc golf set, then we strongly advise that you send a mail to the manufacturer. One of their fellow agents will be able to take your request and provide an adequate answer to your query.